Yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? It's Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this brand new cordless hair clipper from Moser. But I guess Moser is Wall and Wall is Moser, just like Stylecraft and Gamma. So stay tuned, man. Alright. So this is the box, a very small one, and this clipper is totally different from the ones you all know in the USA. You know, I've used the corded one before. That was around 1996 when I came to Austria, and as you can see, it's totally a little bit different from the normal wall hair clippers. You know, this is Moser with the model number 1400, and now it's cordless. It was corded before, and yeah. It's made in Germany. Moser is always Germany, just like Gamma is Italia and Stylecraft USA, you know. So it's rating at 6,000 RPM, approximately 6,000 RPM, and 3 hours operating time, 2 hours 20 minutes charging time. Okay, that's pretty it. And you got 2 years warranty. So 2 years warranty. So this is the back. It looks like this. You can see. Okay. Here, the front side again. And here it's written Wall. You can see here. So it also belongs to Wall. Alright. Okay. So now let's unbox this thing. Else. Okay. The guarantee. And here is written also Wall. As you can see. That's a lot. Like I said before, I used to have the corded version when I newly came to Austria, and yeah, now they got a cordless one. So this is the lever. You can see. So with this one, you hook the lever. So got 5 or 6 clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 clicking lever. And this is the range. The range is not much. Okay. I used to love this, the corded version. It cuts smooth. That's it. So on my next video, I'm gonna make a tear down and you can see what's inside. I don't know what's inside for now, but I guess it's wall components. I guess so. So now let's try to cut this thing. Maybe it can cut. It's not that powerful. I guess maybe like a magic clip or something like that. This is the wall that I modified. I mean, it's not original. So I changed the motor to a brushless motor. So now let's see. See that? See that? So it's not really powerful. I guess for me it's like a magic clip, you know. I mean, not the Gaudy one, because the Gaudy one is got a little bit power. I mean the older version of magic clip. Yo, that's it for the unboxing of this Moser 1400 and peace, man. So I'm gonna make a tear down on my next video.